It is quite easy to keep temperature enough with a light bulb about 25 watt in just small room. In order to keep humidity high enough while hatching the heads for 21 days, we need to put inside the incubator watering system like this. A small fan beside the container to keep the temperature and the humidity uniform along the room. And the water is connected to the bottle, something like this. A very simple and very cheap watering system that I have shown in my previous video. The humidity sensor and the temperature sensor will place somewhere in the middle of the incubator. The shell of the chicken eggs sometimes very hard to crack from inside, so we need to keep humidity high enough in the incubator.